Welcome students, welcome to the second part of my video. Topic: India's foreign policy, standard 9, political science. In the previous video we saw what is foreign policy, the meaning and the importance of foreign policy. We also saw national interest. Under national interest, we have seen defense, that is protection of our country's independence, sovereignty and integrity is the highest national interest. Second one, economic development is also important national interest. An economically weak nation will not be able to maintain its independence. Hence, economic development is understood to be an important national interest next to defense. Then we saw national interest is considered to be a goal and foreign policy was considered to be a means to achieve it. And we also saw at the last that these changes, these foreign policy changes, according to the conditions and times. Therefore, this foreign policy is considered to be dynamic. Now, my dear students, in this video we will see what are the factors that are influencing foreign policy. Foreign policy decides what kind of a relation to have with which country in the international system. But there are several factors affect foreign policy. The first factor is geographical location. You must have seen a globe or a map of the world. You might have seen geographical location of any country from that. Some countries are far away from each other, while several are neighboring countries around some countries. Some nations have long coastlines, some have plenty minerals, some are having flora and fauna. There are availability of natural resources. All these factors need to be considered while deciding the foreign policy of any country. Second factor is political system. In democratic political system, the nation's parliament play a major role in evolving foreign policy. When different aspects come for discussion in the parliament, the opposition parties try to regulate foreign policy by raising questions about the same. Federal political system have taken into account the inclination of constituent states while shaping foreign policy, because the affairs in the neighboring nation affects constituent states. For example, in Sri Lanka may affect Tamil Nadu, and those in Bangladesh may affect West Bengal and Northeast Indian states. Now, the third factor is economy. In the modern times, the economic condition of any country has acquired great importance in deciding foreign policy. Why? Foreign policy is shaped and by the need to establish economic relation with other countries, import-export participation in world trade. all aimed at strengthening the economy of the country. In today's world, issues of economic security are important as equal to national security. A country is recognized by the powerful in proposition to economic security is enjoys. Countries having strong economy are less dependent on others. Like example, America, and less dependent on other nations can have independent foreign policy. And the fourth factor is national leadership. If you see the president, the prime minister, foreign minister, defense minister, finance minister, home ministers play a vital role in deciding foreign policy. The person holding these positions try to maintain continuity in foreign policy. For example, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji contributed policy of non-alignment as India's foreign policy. And if you go to 21st century, Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji contributed a great deal in improving Sino-India relationship. What I mean to say, Sino-India relationship means relationship between India and China. Now, my dear students, we'll see the fifth factor. The fifth factor is none other than administrative factor. Ministers of External Affairs, Foreign Secretary, embassies in different countries, diplomatic officers are the administrative factors involved in creating foreign policy. Even though the final decision about the foreign policy are taken by the Prime Minister and the Minister for External Affairs, the administrative machinery helps to arrive at the decision. The administrative officers collect information needed to shape the foreign policy, analyze it, and give an appropriate advice based on it. The National Security Advisor also completes this task. Now, my dear students, when I say this about foreign policy, and I have said about embassies, how embassies play a vital role in the people who are living in foreign countries. You know, the embassies, if any untold incident happened, if somebody is dead, is dying in foreign countries, and their dead body has to be brought back from the foreign countries, the embassies do help us. Now, take the example of your coronavirus now. The coronavirus, there are people in Kerala who has come from Saudi, Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar. You know how they have come with the help of the Indian embassies over there. They look after the needs of the people, especially Indians. There are embassies who are like a protector to the Indians over there. Then this is all about in my second part of my video. I would come out with the third part of the video later on. Thank you My dear students,